There are many combinations of beans and rice, and one of my faves is chickpeas and red lentils. Now, you're probably thinking of red lentils like this, and for the most part, that is how they come. But the lentils I'll be using for this meal come like this. Yes, red lentils made into rice. And the only ingredient is red lentil flour. Yes. I just love when ingredients are simple. It allows the overall meal to retain its nutrients, just like the one I'm going to be making for y'all today. The ingredients I'll be using are bell peppers, onions, chickpeas, red lentil rice, the seasonings you see on the screen, and pumfu. I know technically the meal is just beans and rice, but we're going to jazz it up a bit. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start by adding the chickpeas to a pot. I'm including the aquafaba as well as a cup more of water. Bring this up to a boil. At the same time, I'll be making the rice. I make it according to the instructions on the package. Set them aside when done. Once the chickpeas come up to a boil, reduce heat to simmer and cover with a lid. If you're using soaked and uncooked chickpeas, then let simmer for at least an hour and a half. While that's simmering, I chop up the veggies and set them aside. As mentioned, I'm going to be adding pumfu, so I crumble it up, add some oil, and season it with pepper, coriander, ancho chili, oregano, salt, onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne. Spread on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The pumfu will be added last, so once it's done baking, just set it aside. To the simmered chickpeas, I'm adding the chopped veggies and seasonings. Bring back up to a gentle boil on medium heat, cover with a lid, and let it continue boil for about 10 to 15 more minutes. This will allow most of the liquid to absorb. Once it looks like this, we're going to add some chickpea flour mixed in with water, kind of like a cornstarch slurry. This will make the liquid thicken and look like a gravy. If it's still a lot of liquid, then let it simmer about 10 more minutes. Once the chickpeas are done, add them to the cooked rice and mix to combine. And lastly, add in the cooked pumfu. All that's left is to plate it up and enjoy. If you or someone you know is interested in cooking vegan, please check out my other food videos. I post meal ideas that are mostly beginner friendly, as well as delicious for all to love. Also, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. Share them with your family and friends so they can see how easy and awesome vegan cooking can be. Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more tasty content.